Hello everyone, this is chapter number 6, Protection of Plant. Our today's topic is organophosphorus insecticides. The insecticides belonging to this group are often referred to as the organic phosphates or phosphate insecticides. They are the derivatives of phosphoric acid. They are widely used as an agent to plant pests and domestic animals. They have high insecticidal activity. They exhibit wide spectrum of action of plant pests and easily break down to form products that is non-toxic to man and animals. So their low doses is required and have low chronic toxicity. Most of them or most of the organophosphorus insecticides are powerful contact and stomach poisons, and some have a fumigant action. So in this structure we can see organophosphorus insecticide. It is parathion. This one is parathion compound. These are synthetic pesticides widely used all over the world. They belong to the group of chlorinated hydrocarbon derivatives. So what are properties of organophosphorus insecticide? This first one is parathion. So properties of parathion is it is pure compound, is a clear oily liquid. Boiling point is 113 degrees centigrade. This compound is soluble in water but relatively more soluble in organic solvents. Exception is paraffin hydrocarbons. This parathion is an excellent insecticide and acts both as contact and stomach poison. Low concentration paraffin is not phytotoxic to crops except of injuries is related to weather conditions. It is translocated through roots in some plants. This compound or parathion is highly toxic to warm-blooded animals and can be absorbed by skin, lungs and digestive tracts. It acts mainly as contact insecticides and rapid in action. That is why it has a long pest controlling effect for up to 3 to 4 weeks, but is highly toxic to man and animals. So in this structure we can see, in this figure or diagram we can see the structure of this parathion, and there are some uses of that parathion. It is effective against aphids, spiders, mites and contain other insect pests. Applications to most crops are usually made 1 month or more before harvest so that there will be negligible residue. Then second one is malathion. So malathion, here it is structure of malathion. So what are properties of malathion? It is technically grade malathion is brown liquid having 156 to 157 degrees centigrade boiling point at 0.7 mm of Hg. It is soluble in most organic solvents. It is highly toxic to mites and number of insect species while being generally non-phytotoxic. It has low toxicity to higher animals. Chronic toxicity and inhibition effects are low. So general properties, it is yellow or clear brown liquid with an unpleasant smell and available as water dispersible powder form. So its action is due to its low toxicity, it is recommended for an alternative to DDT. The next is uses. It is particularly suitable for household home gardens, vegetables and fruit pest controls. So in this diagram we can see the structure of malathion. Then third one is dimethoate. This dimethoate, here it is structure of that dimethoate compound. This is methyl phosphorus dithioate. So properties, it is white crystalline solid, melting point is 51 degrees centigrade. It is soluble in organic solvents and also soluble in water. It is soluble in both organic solvents and water also. Uses, because of its water solubility, it has proved especially useful as a persistent systemic for fruit larvae and for side dressing of soil about plants. So properties, it is yellowish liquid soluble in organic solvents. So what are uses of this dimethoate? Dimethoate or because of its water solubility, it has proved especially useful as a persistent systemic for fruit larvae. Then next compound is dimetone. The uses of this dimetone. Dimetone provides a long-lasting systemic insecticide rapidly absorbed by roots, stems or foliages. Here in this diagram, we can see the structure of dimetone. The next one is TEPP, that is tetraethyl pyrophosphate. Here a structure of TEEP, that is tetraethyl pyrophosphate. It was first synthesized by Clermont in 1854 by alkylating the silver salt of pyrophosphorus acids with ethyl iodide. The property of TEPP, it is clear oily liquid and boiling point is 113 degrees centigrade at 0.05 mm of Hg. This is miscible in water, ethanol, ethyl acetate, carbon tetrachloride, benzene, xylene and methylated naphthalines, but it is not miscible in the kerosene or mineral oils. Uses of TEPP, that is tetraethyl pyrophosphate. It is mainly used for the control of aphids and red spider mites on agriculture and ornamental crops and in greenhouses. It is extensively poisonous to mammals. The next one or next insecticide is carbamate insecticides. Here we can see the structure of carbamate. In this structure, that R indicates it is maybe substituted phenol or naphthyl or methyl group. So these compound or carbamate insecticides are highly active insecticides. The higher activity is exhibited by aryl esters of N-methyl carbomic acids, and the mode of action of carbonates on both insects and mammals is an inhibition of kaolin esters. They have considerable range of toxicity from relatively safe carbaryl to extremely toxic aldcarb, relatively safe carbaryl to extremely toxic aldcarb. They also exhibit variability in action, including stomach and contact systemic properties. So important carbamate insecticides are carbaryl, Baygon, Meserol, Temic, Romate, Zeneb, etc. So we will discuss. First one is carbaryl. So what is carbaryl or what is properties of carbaryl? Carbaryl is 1-naphthyl methyl carbamate. It is a chemical used chiefly as an insecticide. It is a white crystalline solid commonly sold under the brand name Sevin. The brand name is Sevin. So what are the properties of carbaryl? It is good contact insecticides with occasional systemic action in certain cases. It is white crystalline compound and melting point is 142 degrees centigrade. It is less soluble in water but highly soluble in organic solvents. At room temperature, it is resistant to action of water, light and oxygen of the air. But in alkaline medium, it is rapidly hydrolyzed and therefore it is not compatible with compounds of alkaline nature like Bordeaux mixture, calcium and barium polysulfides, etc. It is marketed in the form of dust. It is stable to light in aqueous medium at elevated temperature in storage. So uses. What are uses of carbaryl? When properly used, it does not damage plants, does not lower the crop yields and does not detract from taste and odor of products. The products of hydrolysis and hydroxylations are mainly less toxic and less stable than carbaryl and do not accumulate in plants. This compound is moderately toxic to human and warm-blooded animals. When this compound enters an organism, it rapidly penetrates into blood and is carried to all parts of body, causing a sharp suppression of the chlorine esterase. So next, in this diagram, we can see carbaryl compound or carbaryl structure and carbaryl insecticide bottle. The next one is Baygon. It is 2-isopropoxyphenyl N-methyl carbamate. This compound is 2-isopropoxyphenyl N-methyl carbamate. This compound or Baygon is prepared by the reaction of methyl carbonyl chloride or methyl isocyanate with 2-isopropoxyphenol. Okay, it is preparation method is by the reaction of methyl carbonyl chloride or methyl isocyanate with 2-isopropoxyphenol. So what are properties of Baygon? It is a white solid, melting point is 91 degrees centigrade. It is soluble in polar solvents and slightly soluble in water. It is formulated as emulsion concentrate, that is 20%, and wettable powder is 50%, and dust. The active ingredients has essentially a rapid knockdown effect. So what are uses of Baygon? It is used for control of agricultural pests, household insecticides and insects that would dangerous or sometimes agriculture pests or household insects. Then next one and last one point is miscellaneous synthetic organic insecticides. So there are a number of synthetic organic compounds like nitrophenols, phenothiazone, thiocyanates have been used as insecticides. However, due to the availability of highly potent insecticides with low phytotoxicity and mammalian toxicity, the use of these insecticides have declined in today's life.